Okay, hi guys. We are Team Sauerkraut. My name's Will,
I'm Ryan.
and our game is a product hunt simulator. So we are two business students from Northeastern University, which is located in Boston, Massachusetts. Some of our hobbies include selling just things in general, the blockchain and Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that. Product hunt specifically, we probably each go on the site at least once a day. Coding, as you can see by the curly brackets, and competitive skydiving.
So to talk a bit about our product, first of all, I want to see who knows what Klicker is here? Nice. And who knows what Product Hunt is? So basically what we did is combine Klicker and Product Hunt to create Klicker. If you're unfamiliar with the two of them, Klicker is just a game where all you do is click things and it's enjoyable. And then Product Hunt is a place online where new products get suggested and a lot of startups sort of gain their notoriety.
As far as the technical challenges for this project, it actually wasn't too many. It's a pretty simple concept. The most of our pride and joy in it is the detail that we added, and especially the styling. So the biggest thing, as you can see from our off-centered bullet points, was scaling it, building something that could actually scale, and we didn't have to build specifically for each different building, and buildings are the things that give you more and more cookies during the game. And secondly, user gratification. In a game where all you do is click things, it's kind of hard to keep users entertained. So doing things on the screen that gratify the person who's playing, that gratify the user, and make them feel good about their actions and that it's worth keeping doing was pretty hard to figure out and secondhand do.
So yeah, now we're going to show you our demo. Let me full screen it. So basically this is what it looks like. As you can see over here, you have this cat, and as you click it, you'll start earning more upvotes, which are what's on Product Hunt. And then over here are the different items you can buy. As you can see, they all have the cost. So let's say I buy the cursor for 10. And then over here, it changed the upvotes per second to 0.5. So I'll start earning upvotes without actually clicking. And then just for demonstrational purposes, we changed blockchain it to 10 instead of 100 million so that you can see the upvotes now go up 100,000 per second. And then once you buy these different items within here, if you look at the phone, you can see that it starts noting how many of the certain items you own, as well the price increases exponentially. And then in the bottom left, you'll see Slurp. Product Hunt has their own news called SIP, so we sort of did our own take on that. Yeah, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Yeah, so looking forward, we were actually pretty happy. There's not much we would have changed with the game that, as far as what we built to this point. It's pretty much what we had in mind from the beginning, but there's definitely a lot more we can add to it before it's anything worth putting on the actual internet. So the first thing is going to be increasing the descriptive and gratifying aspects. So as you saw when he was clicking on those buildings on the left that would let you earn upvotes without actually clicking, it didn't really tell you what any of them was. It was just a brief little title for what it was, but we want to be able to have it hover over, and it gives you a description of what they are and just more general direction around the game, kind of guiding players and telling them what's worth doing, what's not worth doing. And the second part of that is doing more gratification. So like, for instance, in the phone, when a new number would go on, it would just be a new number. We want to have that like pop or scroll through or do something like that to make people more incentivized, more entertained by how the game actually runs. It's actually pretty fully responsive right now. Our second step is going to make it completely fully responsive across all browsers so that we can actually end up releasing it on Product Hunt. And that is going to be step 3. So we are building completely in constructors and methods like prototypes right now, which all goes away as soon as you refresh the page. So as I assume throughout the rest of this course, we'll pick up the tools we need to make it into a fully functioning, savable game. And we plan on updating our game as we go through that and soon releasing it actually on Product Hunt and seeing how it does there. So yeah, that's our game. Thank you very much.